Herzlich willkommen in Singapur. Ich bin Karin Tönes vom Singapore Tourism Board in Frankfurt und ich freue mich, euch zu Inside Singapore, MICE und Beyond begrüßen zu dürfen. Eine Kooperation von MICEboard Stream TV und dem Singapore Tourism Board. Wir möchten euch gerne auf eine Site Inspection nach Singapur einladen. Ihr könnt euch auf spannende Einblicke und Neuigkeiten zu Hotels, Locations und Rahmenprogrammen freuen. Zunächst aber müssen wir mal hinreisen. Die pulsierende Metropole im Herzen von Südostasien lässt sich in ca. 12 Stunden per Direktflug erreichen. Alternativ bietet sich ein Zwischenstopp ungefähr auf halber Strecke an. Das machen wir heute und fliegen mit Qatar Airways zuerst knapp 6 Stunden von Frankfurt nach Doha und dann weiter in ungefähr 7,5 Stunden nach Singapur.
So, ihr Lieben, hier sind wir auf einem Zwischenstopp in Doha, Katar, denn wir sind auf dem Weg, das wisst ihr, nach Singapur. Und ich freue mich ganz besonders, hier diese wunderschönen Airport und dieser traumhaft schönen Lounge, den Matt, dear Matt, thank you very much for inviting us to this beautiful lounge and here at this beautiful airport. Please introduce yourself a little bit for our audience.
Well, thank you, Peter, and good afternoon, good evening, good morning to everyone, wherever you find yourselves in the world. My name is Matt Roust. I'm Senior Vice President of Global Sales here at Qatar Airways, based at Qatar Airways headquarters here in the city of Doha, in the country of Qatar. Within this role, and maybe we will talk a little more.
Yes, of course. We joined your flight from Frankfurt direct to here. It was very good service on board. Thank you very much. And now we are here. Can you explain a little bit more to our audience about Qatar Airways and about your, the options and possibilities for, especially for the meeting and the incentives?
Well, certainly, Peter. Maybe we should start a little with our network.
Yeah.
So Qatar Airways is currently flying from more than 116 cities worldwide, and we offer more than 1,800 flights per week. So we have a very large network of cities, and a very high number of frequencies, which helps travelers make a lot of connections. Now, maybe to give a good example for your own trip, so as I understand it, you were flying in from Frankfurt, right? So Frankfurt is a city we fly 3 times a day. Elsewhere in Germany, we serve Berlin, we serve Düsseldorf, we serve Munich. All of those other cities we fly minimum 1 time a day, usually more than one. So, for example, Düsseldorf is 11 flights a week. Berlin is double daily. Munich, double daily. And we bring travelers here to our hub, here in Doha, Qatar, and then connect onward to their destination. Now, in your case, I understand you're flying to Singapore tonight, right? We fly to Singapore 3 times every day. So it doesn't matter where you're coming from or where you're starting or where you're heading to. We have the kind of network and the kind of frequencies that make for easy connection. So if I expand out a little from Germany, within Europe, we operate to 45 cities, 46, depends whether you count London Heathrow and London Gatwick and both to London, as an example. In the Middle East, another major source market for people heading outside of our network. In the Middle East, we're operating to 30 cities. In Africa, also 30. In the Americas, 40. So from the Asia-Pacific side of our network, again, it's something like 30 plus cities you can reach in a
extremely large network, too. You have an idea of how many airplanes fly together Qatar Airways use? So how many airplanes you have?
So in our operating fleet, we have more than 200 aircraft.
Yeah.
So we have the very largest aircraft, so the large wide bodies, as you throw in from and pre-prod. So we have Airbus A380s, a few. We have quite a lot of Boeing 777s and Airbus A350s, and they make up the backbone of our long-haul fleet. And then regionally, we operate with narrow-body aircraft, principally Airbus A320s and then some Boeing 737 aircraft. In addition, we have a sister company, Qatar Executive. So any of your meeting organizers don't just have VIP, but have super VIP. Yeah, we have a private jet division available for chartering as well. So we have the range from the smallest aircraft to the largest, operating across the widest network with the highest frequencies in the sky.
Now we are here in an amazing nice airport and nice lounge, and this now is quite news. It's so beautiful.
This one we're sitting in right now is actually very new. It's less than 1 year old. So this lounge and this area of the airport opened just ahead of the FIFA World Cup last November. We're sitting in a lounge called Al Marjan the Garden. Yeah. Al Marjan is our business class lounge operating. And we're overlooking, as you can see behind us, an area of the airport called the Orchard. In the orchard, you'll find 300 trees and 25,000 plants in a brand new addition to our airport, which offers a lovely green space. So whether you're sitting here with us in the luxury of our lounge, or whether you're just heading to your gate, or stopping for a coffee, or doing some shopping, or taking some time out, we have a lovely green space for you here and out and everything. That's it.
We are here to show our audience, our event professionals, mainly from the German-speaking areas like Germany, Austria, Switzerland. They're looking around all over the world for the best spots for doing events, incentive, congresses, and so on. And I guess your airline also offers some offers, especially for group bookings when they want to go, let's say, to an event here or travel to stop here and go to Singapore and other destinations. Can you explain a little bit about that?
Definitely. Thank you so much for asking, Peter. Now we're into the more commercial side of marketing.
Yeah.
So we have a program. We have the branded name for it of QMICE. Q for Qatar Airways, MICE for the meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibition. And, you know, really it's a bundling of different types of offers that event organizers can mix and match what suits them. So if we have a number of people heading on the same itinerary, we can look at things like a group offer. So a fixed price for a group of people all flying the same itinerary. Also, we have the type of MICE events, the kind of travel you were doing, where you have people coming from lots of different places, all heading to a common destination. So for that kind of offer, we provide a discount based on the market price for each of those origins, but with a common code so all the attendees can access it. We make that available both to delegates directly through the event organizer, or through if the event organizer is using a TMC or a travel agency to manage the ticketing and logistics. So we have those things. I think a lot of other airlines have those things, but I think what sets us apart is the special things we can do on top. So you've seen our service standards already. I hope we convinced you our normal is actually exceptional. Our normal service standard is very high. But when it comes to doing some really creative things, we've got a team of folks working behind the scenes commercially and operationally to deliver an unparalleled experience. Whether that's greetings on board, custom areas for check-in, custom signage, custom onboard catering. These are some of the things we can do, some of the things we have done for others. Now, I like to say the sky's the limit. It's somehow up to the creativity of the event organizer. I'm not going to pretend we do everything all the time for everyone, and we certainly don't do this for free. But if part of your goal is to make the event and the travel experience of the event memorable, and there's so much stuff we can offer.
You bring it on the point. You spoke about that the journey and the event starts with the journey. So you're absolutely right. For the delegates of an event, it starts at the airport, begins with the journey. This is when the event really starts, and when it's not really work very well, the people go in a bad mood before they are on the place where they want to do it.
Great. Well, from our perspective, if I can talk to that,
yes,
we set our standard very high. Qatar Airways is the certified 5-star airline by Skytrax. The airport we operate from, Hamad International, is a 5-star certified airport in Skytrax. We're the only airline airport system in this region where both the airline and the airport can say that. So you know it's high quality from the start, and you know it's going to be a good experience for your delegates and reviews.
I trust you 100%. Thank you. It's nice meeting you.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Peter.
Okay.
enjoy the onward travels.
We will do. We will first enjoy the launch a little bit here more, and then we will have the connect flight to Singapore.
Perfect.
Hier sind wir jetzt angekommen am Singapur Changi Airport, der übrigens von Skytrax 2023 mal wieder zum besten Flughafen der Welt gekürt wurde. Er hat diesen Award schon 12 Mal gewonnen und es ist jedes Mal wieder beeindruckend, wenn ich dorthin komme. Eine ganz spezielle Aktivität, die ich wirklich für Incentive-Gruppen oder auch für ein Rahmenprogramm von einem Meeting wärmstens empfehlen kann, ist diese Tour mit der Vespa, einer historischen Vespa und einem Beiwagen. Das ist eine ganz tolle Art, die Stadt kennenzulernen, aus einer ganz neuen Perspektive. Man ist halt nah dran, hat den Wind in den Haaren, lernt Stadtviertel kennen, die man aus dieser Perspektive sonst nicht sehen kann. Man kann durch kleine, enge Gässchen fahren oder über Brücken, die normalerweise für den Autoverkehr gesperrt sind und kann deswegen viel näher an alles ran. Die Fahrer kennen sich fantastisch aus und können viele schöne Geschichten und Anekdoten über die Stadt erzählen. Man kann auch einen Zwischenstopp einlegen zwischendrin und mal lokale Spezialitäten verköstigen. Im arabischen Viertel hier in Kampong Glam die wunderbaren Wandmalereien bewundern. Und es macht wirklich sehr viel Spaß. Kann ich nur empfehlen. Rund um den Singapore River ist das historische Herz Singapurs entstanden. Man sieht hier am Flussufer noch die alten Lagerhäuser, wo die Boote ihre Waren angelandet haben. Und man sieht jetzt hinten dran diese ganzen modernen Wolkenkratzer, die entstanden sind. Und man sieht viele von diesen historischen Bumboats, die übrigens auch eine ganz fantastische Art sind, mit seiner Gruppe durch Singapur zu reisen. Man kann hier Cocktailempfänge machen, man kann die Boote exklusiv mieten und hat dann eine richtige historische Zeitreise. Man sieht die ganzen historischen Häuser aus der britischen Kolonialzeit und noch davor. Und man kommt auch in dieses sehr futuristische Marina Bay Viertel mit dem Marina Bay Sands. Und hier haben wir meine Kollegin Hui Yu auch getroffen, die sich in Singapur prima auskennt und uns ein bisschen erzählt.
So you see behind me, Gardens by the Bay, there are two big food conservatories inside. There is a cloud forest and the flower dome, and there are also MICE event spaces inside, such as the flower field and other spaces which are available for MICE groups to enjoy. And later on, we'll be looking at the light show at the super trees over there.